holographic chocolate. First, you're going to temper your chocolate, and how we're going to do that is with a double boiler, and we're going to use our candy thermometer and bring the chocolate up to 130 degrees. You need adult supervision to melt the chocolate. Let's do this. You can use a double boiler or a glass Pyrex bowl over a pot of slowly boiling water. Don't melt your chocolate too fast. You want to avoid burning or over crystallizing your chocolate. Once it melts and reaches about 130 degrees, you can take it off the heat and cool it to 90 degrees. Pour more chocolate chips to cool down your melted chocolate. And keep mixing it until it's melted and smooth. When you get your chocolate to about 90 degrees, you can pour it onto your hologram paper. Make sure your hologram paper is shiny side up. Pour the chocolate directly onto the holographic film. Smooth it all out and refrigerate for about 20 minutes or until hardened. Chocolate is set. We're going to flip it over so we can peel it off. I'm so excited to show you this because it's the coolest thing ever. Very carefully pull back the film. Ready to get your mind blown? Isn't this awesome? Look at all that color. Tilt your chocolate back and forth to see the rainbows. It looks so smooth. Look at the hologram. Is that not the coolest thing ever? I can't believe it worked. We just couldn't get enough of this magic. It was so beautiful and it was delicious too. Do you know how we did it? We used a holographic film, which is called a diffractive gradient. It has imprints of lines and grids on the surface, which reflects light. So when we put the chocolate on the film, it was like a chocolate melt, and it made the lines in the chocolate. It does the same thing with the light. It spreads the light out and makes it reflective. And this is the coolest chocolate I ever seen. Best chocolate ever.
Motion.
Remember, smash that like button, ring the bell, follow me on social media, and subscribe if you like my videos. Bye! By the way, Aldi chocolate chips work awesome. You don't need any of that fancy smanchy stuff. Thanks for watching Tucker Time!